si bele vek ule hei kuwa luma korban bul nen kani a tretiam mai don ya midang mizo tong tiam ne lo tetan tretiam to kin ti ve kan tum lok ngam lo tretiam mula. Hello guys, bye bye all of you from the other side of the world who watching this video. Saying to you hi. This is my channel. I used to be a wildlife photographer and I'm stuck in drugs a while for now. It's about like 10 years or maybe something, I don't know. In here we don't have like cocaine or something, fentanyl or something like that. Here we just have, we call it number 4. It's from Myanmar, from the Golden Triangle, from the opium. That's number 4 is the opium product. We used to do it like some are chasing, and we are injecting. I'm also injecting, and now it's about a month or something, more than a month or something like that. I'm taking OST, that's called opioid substitutional therapy. It's from the government, I think. I don't know where that's come from. I used to go there in the morning and keep it in eye like this for 15 minutes. And now I'm good. I eat good and I exercise good. I'm doing things in the house like washing dishes, washing clothes, something like, or sweeping the house and cleaning all the house. That's my what, how do I don't know how to say, that's my duty. Oh, I will say duty. It's awful. Now it's about 1:20. It's about 1:20 p.m. And now I am going to give all my afternoon time to read my Bible, which is a present from which is a present from which is a present from our church, and we call it Centenary Friend, Presbyterian Church of India, Centenary Friend. Yeah, that's when I get married. This was the present. We got two from two churches, from my wife's church and from my church. And these are the daily of my life, what I do in the morning and the afternoon. It's time to read, but I won't read it here in the video because I have not enough memory for the video, all the video. I mean, it's just a phone. It's just a mobile phone. That's why the memory is not enough, not big enough. And thank you for watching this, and please like and subscribe my channel. And this is my daily life.